Hey parents, I hope you're doing well with this first day of official digital learning. I wanted to clarify something because I realized I wasn't as clear as I should have been about Seesaw, so I apologize for that. A while back, I either emailed or sent a message to you in Seesaw privately with your child's home learning code. This is what it looks like. This is a student that moved a while ago, so I'm using his as an example. So if you're logged into Seesaw as a parent, you are very likely getting messages from me. If you click your name up here and then the gear, you can sign out. Or if your child is needing to access it on their device, you don't need to sign out. But I wanted to show you what it should look like from the student perspective, because you cannot access the activities for them to complete unless they're signed in as a student. So when you click on I'm a student, you want to use the text code or the scan code. So if you print this out, this is the QR code that goes with your child's account. I don't have the printer that's working right now, so I'm going to show you how you can copy the text code, paste it, and click go, and it should log in as your child. Obviously, if it comes up with someone else's name, please contact me and I'll give you a new code. In one of my videos, I referenced, or in my letter, I referenced the waiting for response. So these are activities that your child has not yet completed. So this is where you can find a lot of those. Another thing that I think I may have confused you with is on my website, I posted links to the Letterland activities for the week. So, for example, I put the look, say, cover, write, the written sort, and the word list here. That's for if you want to print them. You do not need to print them, but I know that some families prefer to do it paper pencil. So there's, you can click on it, open it in a new tab, and print it if you choose to. If you want your child to complete the written sort, for example, digitally, they would do that on Seesaw. So if I'm logged in as a student, I can click here. This is the written sort for the current unit. I can click add response and then edit the item. Several students have already done this morning. They have the option, if they have an iPad or a tablet, they can write with their finger right onto the sort, or they can use the text box. Insert, so I can put a text box, write the word, and then I have to click off of it to then be able to move it. That's a little glitch that I've had to figure out the hard way. Your child probably is more savvy at this than I am, but that is one way that they can complete the written sort. That should be in the directions, but I wanted to just go over that in case. And I also wanted to say a lot of times in class, I will have them write the tricky words down at the bottom or on the back of the paper, just so that they're practicing writing them, even though they don't fit the patterns for the week. So they wouldn't necessarily go in any of the sorts, or they can go in the question mark column. That's fine too. So I wanted to just clarify a couple of those things because I feel like I wasn't very clear at first. Please let me know if you have other questions regarding how to complete things in Seesaw, but hopefully that answers your questions. And I just wanted to review again, if you want your child to upload something and you don't want to have to be sending me things through the messenger, they can always click the green plus button and then they can choose what they want to do. So if they want to take a picture of something they've completed, if they want to draw something, type a note, make a video saying this is what I did today, or even upload something that they completed on another app. Maybe they take a screenshot of an accomplishment that they made on Dreambox and they want to upload that screenshot so I can see their new accomplishment. They can do that too. So I would definitely encourage you to give them as much ownership as possible to take some of the burden off of you. Whether they admit it or not, they should know pretty well how to use Seesaw and do these different things. I'm not sure how much they used it while I was out on maternity leave, but we used it almost every single day in the classroom. So they should be familiar at least with these things. And with a little bit of guidance, hopefully very soon they'll be able to do it more independently, because I know that you all have your own things that you need to be doing at home. So um, please reach out if you have any other questions, and I'll be happy to address those things with you. Have a good day.